This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jack up Ford Mustang easy method. Position the car on level ground, engage the parking brake, chock the rear wheels, and put on gloves and eye protection. Gather your jack stands, and wheel lug wrench, and keep a flashlight and rag nearby. Inspect the jack for damage, and confirm weight rating is sufficient for your vehicle before lifting. Safety first, take your time and work calmly. Slide the jack beneath the car and align it with the recommended pinch weld or designated jack pad near the wheel you are lifting. Make sure the head of the jack sits squarely under the reinforced metal and double-check alignment before you lift. If the pinch weld is dirty, clean it with a rag so the jack seats properly. Never position the jack under plastic trim, the oil pan, or other unsupported areas. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making useful, practical how-tos. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a fun, simple way to freshen your ride after working on it. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. And if you have questions, drop them below. Now let's get back to the video. Pump the jack carefully to lift the car until the tire is about 3.5 inches off the ground, and you can spin it by hand. Walk around and set 2 jack stands under the manufacturer-specified support points, then lower the car gently until it rests securely on the stands. Give the car a gentle shake to confirm stability, and keep the lifted wheel slightly elevated while you change the tire or perform maintenance. Never work under a car supported only by a jack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.